colores in Spanish? Hola amigos, hello friends. My name is Lily. And this is my friend Cerdito. Today we are going to learn colors in Español. Are you ready? Vamos, let's go! This is an apple. And in Spanish we say manzana. It's the color rojo. Rojo means red. Can you say that with me? Rojo. Look around you. Can you find something that is rojo? Yes, fresa, globo, shout it out. This is a balloon, and in Spanish we say globo. It's the color azul. Blue, like el cielo, the sky. Can you say azul? Azul. Can you find something else that is azul? Great job. La gorra, the cap. El pájaro, the bird. Let's learn one more color, verde. That means green in Spanish. A rana, frog, is verde. And so is the grass, el pasto. And el árbol, the tree. Let's play a quick game. I'll show you something. And you tell me the color in Español. Ready? ¿Qué color es? What color is it? Yes, sí, you got it right. La manzana, apple, is rojo. Next one. ¿Qué color es? What color is it? Bravo, well done. La gorra, the cap, is azul. Next one. ¿Qué color es? What color is it? Correcto, that's right. La rana, the frog, is verde. Muy bien, amiguitos. Well done, little friends. Muy bien, amiguitos. You did amazing. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun with Lily. Nos vemos. See you soon.